Okay, side step for me, reach up and out. We're going to do an arm workout with weights today. Firstly, we're going to warm up our arms, okay? So just reaching up and out. If you don't want to do it with weights, you don't have to. If you don't have hand weights, you could use a tin can of food, some empty milk cartons, or drink bottles filled up with water. Okay, now just open and close them. Feel like you're squeezing something between those shoulder blades. Okay, now just bring those shoulders around for me. We just want to make sure our muscles in our arms are nice and warm before we get started. Okay. Back the other way for me. Okay, just lift one up. You're just alternating. All right, we all ready to go? Yes, we are. Grab out your weights if you're going to do them, or whatever you feel like doing. And we're just going to start simply. Bicep curls. Okay, just curl it up. If you want to do a bit of a heel tap as well, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, so we're going to come up quick, down slow. Come up quick, down slow. Come up quick, down slow. Now, if you want to make the body work harder while you're doing this, we just hop down into a little bit of a squat. And now our lower body is working as well. So you're coming up quick and then down slow. Just makes the muscles react a little bit differently. Okay, so now we're going to do the opposite. Come up slow, down quick. 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 Slow, down quick. Slow. Give me 5 more. Once again, just because we've tweaked this, it just makes the muscles have to react differently. All right. Now I want you to go out to the side. We're going to curl up to the shoulders. So it's now just like a nice wide bicep curl. Okay, give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shake it out. Give yourself a break for 10 seconds, and then we'll start the next lot. All right. So next, I just wanted you to bring them up. Okay? So I try and not go above shoulder height. Now we'll rotate between the two. We're just using whatever size weights you feel comfortable with. You don't have to do anything fast. It's just nice and slow and controlled. Okay, now out to the front. So same again, you're just going up to about shoulder height. Okay, now I want you to alternate them for me. Just nice and slow, nice and controlled. This is all about our upper body. Though this whole time, I do try and keep like that belly button to your spine where you're keeping that core engaged. Okay, now I want you to do a row motion. So we're going to hop into a bit of a squat. We're going to reach out to the front and pull back. Out to the front, pull back. To the front, pull back. Okay, when you're pulling back, you really want to try and get that squeeze between the shoulder blades. And we're just in a little bit of a squat. Once again, try and keep that core muscles engaged. Okay, now instead of going backwards, I want you to try and go open. So you bring them round to the front and pulling out to the side. Once again, you really want to feel that squeeze between the shoulder blades. Imagine you've got like a lemon or something there and you're trying to squish it. Nice and controlled. Okay, now how about we alternate between the two? So you're going to go out to the front, pull back, back in, open. Okay, out to the front, pull back, so you're doing your row. Then your rear delt fly, okay? Pull back, open, okay? We'll just do a few more, and then I'll give you a break for a second. Don't stress. Nice and controlled. If you have to have a break at any time, or if you want to do it without the weights for a little bit, you certainly can. Okay, one more. Okay, shake it out. Give yourself a break for a second. All right, we're going to put one of the weights down, and we're just going to grab one in both of our hands. We're going to pop it over our shoulder, and I just want to reach up above. Okay. I know it'll be burning. Just give me another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Give yourself a quick stretch. Open and close, and then we're going to do it all again. All right. Give those arms a break for a second. Stretch them out. They just need that little bit of a break sometimes. Okay, see how I'm giving myself a nice big hug? Just stretching all those muscles. All right, let's go. One more round. Starting back with our bicep curls, okay? So, nice and simple curls. We're just going to go through everything a little bit quicker. We won't do as many reps. Okay. Now, out to the side. Give me some of those wide ones. Now I want you to alternate between the two. So we're going to go up, out, up, out. Never mind the train. Up, out, a couple more, up, out, up, out. All right. Now, out to the side. Lifting those arms up. Remember, it doesn't have to be fast. Nice and slow. Okay, now alternate for me. One with the other. Okay, now lifting up out to the front. now alternate. Now I want you to go up to the front, out to the side, up to the front, out to the side, up to the front, out to the side. Okay? Give me a few more. I try and do an arms weights session 1 to 2 times a week, just to target specifically on those arms. Okay. Now we're going to go back to that bent over row. So hopping back into a little squat, your bum's sticking out, you brace that core, your belly button's going towards your spine, and you're just going to go out to the front and pull back, really squeeze in between those shoulder blades. Keep going, we're nearly done. Okay, now remember how we were doing that rear delt fly? So we're opening up instead. Okay, now alternate again between the two. Up to the front, out to the side. Okay, pull it in, going out. Pull it in, coming out. Pull it in, coming out. Right? Give me 3 more. 1, 2, 3. All right, drop that weight down. Remember, at any time if it's getting too hard, either go to a lower weight or just go without them for a bit. You're still working those arm muscles. Last one, overhead. Let's go. Give me 5 more and then you're done. There you go. There you have it. That is an arm workout with weights that you can do at home. I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.